Accountants will not be replaced. The future of accounting is here and it's exciting. And after attending Intuit Connect 2025, I can say with confidence, our industry is not disappearing, it's transforming. All the tools and technologies are here. It's exciting. Less work for us, more money, better future. So in this video, I'll take you with me to Intuit Connect. I'll show you behind the scene. Also, I'll introduce the coolest tool I ever seen and how I implement what I learned from that conference starting today. Let's dive in. And I arrived to Vegas on Sunday. It was 85 degrees outside, beautiful day. I went straight to my beautiful room. I enjoyed it. As you can see on the videos, I went to the swimming pool and I decided to register for event because I was very, very excited. Everything in the air was just telling me, I just have this feeling, the vibration, excitement about the conference tomorrow. It's just Intuit Connect, accountants, I could see it everywhere and it felt like celebration of our industry, our profession, celebration of all our accomplishment. I don't know, maybe I felt that way because it was right after tax season, but I'm sure everybody felt it. So you can see all these signs, it's just so exciting. So yes, I was so happy and could not wait for day one to start. I've read hundreds of books and spent 10 years doing taxes for music bands like Coldplay and billionaires at Ernst & Young. And here on YouTube, I'm teaching you how to become a tax preparer, learn the tax software, get the first client so you can have a freedom to do what you want. So let me show you how. Check it out my website, notsoboringcpa.com, and sign up for one of my classes. If you're like me, tired of CPA conferences when you just sit through lections, not retaining information, Intuit Connect is not like that. Honestly, for me, it felt like half celebration, half transformation, half you closer to the future in our industry, and it's excitement, connection to people. The way it's all set up, it's just incredible. So it's full of AI products, talking about AI, lots of it, because this is the future, right? Talking about technology, how the future will change. It's about guest speakers, exciting guest speakers. Like we had this people like crazy pilots. We had people from music, TV, all kind of stuff. That was exciting. And so motivational speakers, right? And just lots of things. So one of the classes I attended was like how AI will help you out to fall in love with your job again. And I was like, what is this about? I don't believe that would do it for me. So, but after that, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, because I'll have all this time to myself. I can go have dinner with my family, or I can go maybe because I free up 20% of my time because of AI, I can finally do something new in my career. So for example, having a YouTube channel, which I already do, but maybe I'll start recording videos more often those days. So super cool, everything about energy, connection, transformation. You feel like you're part of something bigger than just yourself, part of future. How they make you feel that our industry is already cool. I think it's cool, but it will be even cooler. The future is not so boring. It's not boring at all. It's very exciting, and I'm excited to be in this industry and happy to be part of Intuit community by going to that conference. That was awesome. Let's be honest. The question if AI will replace us accountants is on everybody's mind those days. And after going to that conference, I can say with certainty, no, we will be needed more than ever. The reason why is because all this wrong information online. On Google, ChatGPT can give wrong information. So the clients need us more than ever. More than ever, they need a trusted human advisor. so we can tell them the right answer. Because of this world of so many public information available to everybody, it's not necessarily right? So they need our experience. They need the human connection. They need a personalized strategy delivered with the context of their lives, their personal situation, and AI will never do it. So more than ever, with help of AI, we can help our clients because they need us more than ever. So now is the right time, the future is exciting, and AI is here to help us out, not to replace us. All right, let's talk about the coolest CPA product ever. And I'm not into tools or product as much. The reason why, because I do taxes. I don't do like full cycle bookkeeping, right? So I was very skeptical about this. I was like, how is me as a CPA can use any other tools than tax software, right? But this conference, what I've seen, what I learned changed my mind, and I was blown away. So I cannot wait to share it with you. So Intuit just launched this tool called Accounting Suite, Intuit Accountant Suite, and it has all-in-one program. So it's like all the apps together. So imagine having all the assistants you always needed. Finally, you'll be able to have them. And you would tell, oh my gosh, as a conceptually that sounds good, but I'm tax professional, I'm a CPA, I'm doing one thing. Why do I need all-in-one? And I agree with you. I was skeptical too, but I was blown away by capability. So imagine you're a tax preparer, you use ProConnect, right? And you're like, okay, I just need ProConnect. But here's the estimates come around, year-end planning, and you need to like email bookkeeper to see what the situation is as of that day. But you can just go to that platform, connect QuickBooks as a advisor, right, tax accountant to their QuickBooks, and you can see it all in one platform, the current situation to the client, so you can do a planning. Also, you can sort out your clients through tax advisory and decide what clients will benefit from a tax advisory next day. You can bill them. You can do this capacity tracker, which is you can track your time based on a client, all in one platform. One login, you have this amazing, beautiful platform, all of it in there. I think it's cool, and I can't wait to use it, honestly. And I highly recommend to use it too. I think it's going to be a game changer in our industry. So yeah, I'm going to be setting it up all probably next month. So if you have any question, hit me up. I'm happy to help you out. Let me tell you more about Expo. So I never been to expos, and I was like, okay, I'm just doing this one thing, CPA, why do I care about all these tools? But I was also blown away. It's just because how organized it was, and just the way everything was. I was able to talk to everybody. Any questions I always wanted, they had time to explain to me and answer all my questions. Such a personalized approach. I don't know where you can get things like that. So absolutely, if you're into it, user, or if you're planning to be, you are already, or you're interested in other vendors in the industry, come go to the conference, go to Expo, ask them questions. So for example, my favorite part of Expo was when I was approaching this amazing guy from ProConnect team, and I was asking him question about ProConnect, also very skeptical. He probably didn't have fun with me, but I had so much fun. And he said he liked my video, and that made my day. That's so cool. Another person, this amazing gentleman, I approached him with another tough question. He was talking about capacity tracker. And I came to him, I was like, how is one person CPA with 2 employees? Do you need that? And he explained, he actually convinced me. By the end of our conversation, I walked away and I said, yes, I want capacity. I need capacity tracker, and I'm definitely will be using it. So yes, so lots of cool tools, wonderful people. You can ask any question, you can learn, they listen to you. Potentially, you can be part of the future product development if there's something you need for your specific needs. So very cool. I had a good time. And of course, Intuit Connect wouldn't be called Connect if it wasn't for a connection with other people. So yeah, I met those wonderful people over breakfast, other people over lunch, happy hours, everything organized so you have time and schedule to go socialize with people, to meet people, to brainstorm on new ideas, be part of this future creation together as a community. Loved it. Also, everybody in the industry is here. So I met this guy, YouTuber Jason Stats, very famous YouTuber. Check it out, his channel, Jason's on Firms. I met this guy, Aaron. He has also YouTube podcast, Ask Accountant. We recorded a couple of videos together. I probably will add it here because I think that was so cool, just out of nowhere. So met a lot of wonderful people, planning to stay in touch with them. So that this conference for me, I just was wonderful, and I do feel more connected to our industry more than ever. So what is the biggest thing I learned from the conference? I think it's that our industry is not dying, it's evolving, it's transforming, and AI technology is here to help us out to get to the next level. It's super exciting for me. I mean, honestly, I cannot wait for next tech season so I can implement all these tools, right? And also, this accounting suite and just being part of this community of a future accountants, that's so exciting. I would highly recommend you to check it out, the tools. I do think it will change, it will excite you as it excited me. And the easiest way to do it, just sign up for a demo, buy one, or just use free One ProConnect tax return, connect your client to QuickBooks, do some advisory, look into other tools, maybe bill your clients. That would be a good start. And you can do it all for free, so I don't see a reason why not to do it. And you'll be as excited as I am about what future holds, about next tech seasons, about our industry. I mean, I'm blown away. It's amazing. The future is bright, it's exciting, it's definitely not boring. I want to thank Intuit for sponsoring this video, and I'm so happy to be part of Intuit family, be part of the community, feel closer to the future, closer having all this innovation and technology. Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to step into the future, and it will be amazing.